Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa inyo kasi tinuring niyo na po kami parang totoong apo niyo po. Tapos, sobrang deserve niyo po yung ganitong grande na birthday celebration ngayong 68 na. Yun lang po.
Thank you very much. I see Blue and Tena.
I can see how you support each other, my mama, your sister. You inspired me. And may God will continue to bless you so you will be a blessing to others. Stay gorgeous and more blessings to come. Happy birthday. I love you.
Thank you very much. Miss Whitey.
And I'm really happy na naging parte po ako ng pamilya. Happy birthday, tita.
Thank you very much, Miss Yancy and Tena.
Happy birthday, Mars, and best friend. Kala ko 18 years old din. Hindi halata. Congrats sa 60 years old. Marami kang maa-avail, senior, sa foods, sa Jollibee. Thank you, Mars. Love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Delia, more Ginatores to be out of my Ginatores. Thank you so much for your generosity.
Happy birthday, my dear friends. Simula noon hanggang ngayon. Yes. Marami na tayong pinagsamahan. Maraming memories. Walang iyakan. Happy birthday. Stay healthy, happy, and beautiful. You are my friends. Okay. Happy birthday. I love you.
Diba? So sabi nila, pag naglalas ng 7 years yung friendship, hindi na friends yun. It's more than just a parang sister. Pero yung level is
Buena mano ka?
I wishing you all the best in your birthday. Good health, long life, more blessing, and always beautiful. Like me.
Inunahan naman ako, madam.
Ayaw matalo.
Dalawa lang po kayo, mama na po, anak. Dalawa lang po kayo. Thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin ang ating buena mano for our good deal. We have Ate Yoni. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Susan Ong. Wow. ba? Hiningal ka. May tubig. Ma'am Susan.
Happy birthday, Mars. Yan. Mukhang hindi 60. Hindi, 59. Yan. Pero, beauty. Di ba? Ay, thank you. Yan.
Ano, balikan lang kayo.
Ito nga pala, pang Cebu. Yan. Happy birthday, Mars. Love you. So, ayan na lang. Happy birthday, Mars. Wish you all the best. I love you.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Susan Ong. Your message.
Happy birthday, Mare. Thank you. Welcome to the club. Number lang yan. Thank you.
Maraming picture pa. Handa na na ako ang susunod.
Hello, Mayora.
Mayora. Oo.
Happy fabulous 16. Here's my gift to you. Oo. Huwag mo kakalimutan kapag kumain tayo sa labas. After nun, please don't forget to submit your ID. Hindi ko kalilimutan yan. Mura na ang kapatay natin. Ay, magpapakayabot ka. Wala pa ako, malayo pa.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Norby Maristela. At this point, we raise our glasses, offering our best wishes and blessings for the years to come. I invite everyone, magtayo po tayong lahat. At as po natin yung ating mga batok ay water, no ice, your energy that you can get. And join us for the toast ceremony for comfort. Good health, good fortune, more happiness. Mas masayang buhay. 1, 2, 3, yeah! Thank you so much to all of us. Before one also, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Before, and syempre, mga po, unahin po natin si Miss Grace Koo. Kayo po, ako na po mag-message, a very short message po, your toast and wishes po for Ma'am Marlene.
Okay. Sa pinakamagandang kumari, talaga namang hindi sasabihin 60 na. Pero welcome sa ating organization, welcome to the club. Happy birthday! And so much honor ba na nandito ko sa harap mo. So, siyempre, ang wish ko lang is you have a good health, laging happy, and more blessing and birthdays to come. I love you.
Thank you so much, Miss Grace Koo. Next we have picture taking po.
Yes, happy birthday. Wish you sa your good health. Also, happiness in life.
Thank you very much.
Sa totoo lang, thank you so much at nakilala ko kayo. At napalapit ako sa inyo. Bata pa lang. Yeah. 11 months na lang, senior na rin ako. Yeah. Kaya, happy birthday, good, wish ko lang sa iyo ng good health, happy family. At saka, laging masaya, enjoy lang natin ang life. Yeah. Okay, thank you, happy birthday, love you.
Thank you so much, Pia Lacson. Ispi na ako ngayon. Hindi na Arnie. Yung po nakalagay ko. Oo. Yun.
Sabi kasi na sister,
Magkulay.
dahil
Tulog.
sis, happy birthday. Love you so much. Gagawin ko siya sa kanila, lagi kami kasama na. Parang family na rin namin sila, kaya napakasarap ng pakiramdam, lalo tulad ko ng isa sa buhay. Para sila na yung mga pamilya ko, kapatid ko, kaya napaka-bless ko, napasama ko sa girl. Thank you, love you.
Thank you so much, Miss Picture ko, Miss Lee.
Hello sis, I just want to say happy birthday. At least, di ba simula pa noon may siya pa sa Imus, di ba? Wala pa siyang asawa noon. Hanggang ngayon, dapat kami. Ngayon kasama na sa Sasi. Oo, sa Thailand yan. So yun lang, just wanted to say, happy birthday, more blessing and more happiness in life. Yeah, birthday sis.
Thank you very much.
Somehow